Tokyo, Bloomberg. Asian stocks were mixed on Wednesday after U.S. benchmarks dipped, with investors awaiting the final votes on U.S. tax cut legislation. Bond yields climbed amid focus on the outlook for increased supply in 2018, with less central bank buying. Japanese equity benchmarks saw small gains, while those in Seoul and Sydney were flat. The S&P 500 index slipped from a record Tuesday. Longer-dated U.S. Treasury yields jumped to the highest since October overnight, with traders attributing the move to an unwinding of bets on a shrinking gap with shorter-dated notes. European yields also climbed overnight. Most fund managers see U.S. tax cuts boosting bond yields, along with stocks, next year, a Bank of America Merrill Lynch monthly survey showed. A net 83% of respondents viewed bond markets as overvalued. The bump in American yields did little to help the dollar, which traded within recent ranges against the euro and yen. Oil climbed after news of a surprise drop in U.S. crude stockpiles. South Korean tourism-related stocks, such as cosmetics makers, will be in focus after a report that China is again banning package tours to its neighbor. Among the key events investors will be watching this week, the US and UK publish updated estimates of third-quarter GDP. The Bank of Japan meets on Thursday to set monetary policy. Catalonia votes in an election Thursday that will pose a test for the Spanish region's secession movement. And these are the main moves in markets. Stocks. Japan's Topix index was up 0.2% as of 10:15 am in Tokyo, while the Nikkei 225 stock average advanced 0.1%. Futures on the S&P 500 index rose 0.2% after the underlying gauge declined 0.3% Tuesday. Futures on Hong Kong's Hang Seng were down 0.4%. Australia's S&P/ASX 200 was little changed. Currencies. The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index closed little changed Tuesday. The euro traded at $1.1845 after climbing 0.5% Tuesday. The Japanese yen was at 112.92 per dollar after slipping 0.3%. Bonds. The yield on 10-year treasuries jumped 7 basis points Tuesday, to 2.46%. It slipped to 2.45% in early Wednesday trading. Australian 10-year yields increased about 6 basis points to 2.63%. Germany's 10-year yield climbed 7 basis points to 0.38% Tuesday. Commodities. West Texas Intermediate crude was little changed at $57.76 a barrel after advancing 0.7% Tuesday. Gold was at $1,262.65 an ounce.